Hi everybody, Lady Hockey here, and today I wanted to go over some of the differences between the PWHL and the NHL in regards to the point system, penalties, playoffs, and draft. The point system in the PWHL, they use a 3-2-1 point system, which means any team with a regulation win gets 3 points in the standings, whereas in the NHL you only get 2 points. Now when it comes to overtime and shootouts, an overtime or shootout win gets a team 2 points, and an overtime or shootout loss gets a team 1 point. So whereas in the NHL, the overtime shootout winner gets 2 points, and then they give a point to the team that makes it to overtime or shootout. In the PWHL, it's just taking the 3 points and dividing them, giving 2 points to the winner, 1 point to the loser. And of course, a regulation loss gives you 0 points in the standings. Penalties in the PWHL. Some of the differences between the NHL, there's 2 key ones, and that is, first is the jailbreak goals. A player serving a penalty can break out of the penalty box if their team scores a shorthanded goal. And the other one is the no escape rule. So players on a team assessed a penalty that gives them time on the clock. They are not permitted to make any kind of line changes until the next face-off. I like those differences, and it'll be fun to watch them play out in the games. And I think the NHL should maybe think about adopting these things. Now let's hit on the playoffs and the draft. The number 1 seed in the playoffs, so at the end of the season, the team that has the number 1 seed, they get to choose who they're going to play in the semifinal, either the 3rd or the 4th seed. I like the idea that if you're the number 1 team, you get to have a choice of who you're going to play in the semifinals. I like that idea. I think the NHL maybe should think about doing it. The other thing relates to the draft, and that is what is called the gold plan. And I'm just going to read straight from what I got online here. The gold plan is an innovative system used to encourage competitive play by all teams throughout the regular season. Once a team is mathematically eliminated from the playoffs using the 3-point system, in their remaining regular season games, any points they earn are considered draft order points. The non-playoff team with the most draft order points earns a higher pick in the draft. So whereas in the NHL, once a team is mathematically eliminated, lots of times they will what is called tank to try and get to the bottom of the standings so that they can get have a better chance of getting a higher draft pick. Whereas in here, and I think this is a really good idea, is it gives the teams that are mathematically eliminated from the playoffs are then motivated to win games because those points that they earn will help them determine what rank they are in the draft. And I think that's just a really good idea. It really discourages tanking from happening. I really like it. I think the NHL should really seriously consider adopting this one because nobody likes to watch tanking. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. And if I need to make any corrections or clarifications about things, please let me know. And I'll do a new video clarifying, correcting if any of that needs to happen. And like all of you already know with all of these, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, what kind of videos maybe you would like to see me do. And hopefully I will get some more content coming out soon. So I will see you then. Bye.